So you're the happy, So you're the happy,
happy teriyaki.
Have you seen, what's his name, Peter, what's his name?
The Family Guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a chicken that he always attacks.
So it's pretty warm in there?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh yeah? What do you got, a microphone?
Oh no, I have headphones on my phone.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it makes out, or puts out more volume?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh yeah? Where's your eyes at?
Right here, I can't really see out of
This one or this one?
These lines right here.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's really funny.
Yeah, I did that for Domino's before.
Really?
Yeah, I do the YouTube videos, so this will be
on YouTube.
Yeah. So all right then.
I'll be a famous chicken.
I'll put you on Pinterest too.